To solve this for JEE, we need precision. We have an initial velocity of 20 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees. So, our first step is resolving this velocity into components. The vertical is 20 times sine of 30 degrees, which gives us 10 meters per second. And the horizontal? That's 20 times cosine of 30 degrees, or 10 root 3 meters per second. Next, we find the maximum height. At the peak, our vertical velocity becomes 0. Using the kinematic equation, v squared equals u squared minus 2gh, and taking gravity as 10 meters per second squared, we calculate 10 squared divided by twice 10. That gives us exactly 5 meters for the maximum height attained. Now for the time of flight. This is just twice the time it takes to reach the peak. Since our vertical velocity is 10 and gravity is 10, the time to reach the top is exactly 1 second. Therefore, doubling that, the total time of flight is 2 seconds. Finally, the horizontal range. This is simply the horizontal velocity multiplied by the total time of flight. So, that is 10 root 3 meters per second times 2 seconds, yielding approximately 34.64 meters as the final horizontal range of our projectile. So, there you have it. JEE problems are all about the systematic decomposition of motion. We found the max height is 5 meters, the time of flight is 2 seconds, and the range is 34.64 meters. Keep practicing these component methods, and you'll master projectile motion in no time.